Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sonatic. Today I would like to talk about the newest airdrop currently ongoing, CampNetwork. CampNetwork is a modular layer 2 solution that harnesses off-chain layer from Web 2 to Web 3, and they are backed by a lot of great investors, and have been able to raise $4 million currently with their investors. They have OKS Ventures, ATS Ventures, Moonrock Capital, a whole lot of good people backing them up. And currently it's early. This airdrop or testnet is very early right now, so let's get started. All you need to do is connect to your wallet, which I am about doing right now. I'm using MetaMask. After you are done connecting your MetaMask or whichever wallet you want to connect successfully, you need to perform the tax down below here always, and also remember to check in daily to perform taxes that are available on here. Let's get started with the tax here. Follow on Authorize X. Let me claim my point. They are verifying your ad. Big 5. And yeah, great job. 1 star added to your balance. You can see. So the more tax you do, the more points you'll be able to accumulate, which will help you during TG. Do it later on. There's the check-in part I talked about. You need to check in daily to be able to accumulate more points. Sure, I've checked in already too. Check-in success. Check-in always daily. I will end with the tax here for now, in order not to prolong the video. But I will make the referral link available in the description box below for you. Also, you can share your referral link for others.